Welcome to A-Level and AP Physics, a place where you can improve your understanding of physics with confidence. Today's topic is about isotope, and this topic is from CAIE IGCSE Physics. In this lesson, I will explain to you what is isotope with example.
We need to understand isotope, the symbol, for example, we need to understand. So I will write down here one journal notation. I will write down here. I will write down journal notation. Journal notation, actually, what we use is that is simply, let's say, this is symbol we use for element, X element, for example. And we will use at this point, you will see, will be Z. Actually, this will be the atomic number, and here we have the mass number. So what you see here, this is atomic number, or this is number of protons. So this one will be atomic number. You can see from the bottom is atomic is smaller number, so this is at the bottom. Mass number is always higher, so that is at the top. So the atomic number is also called proton number. So I will just write here proton number as well. And this A, this is called mass number. So this is called mass number, and this is also equal to nucleon number. So this is also equal to nucleon number. And this one, this is element. So this is element. So you, with this symbol, you can tell this is element. Okay. So this common notation we need to understand. Now, if we go back and we check, actually, here now, you see this is the mass number. This one is atomic number, and this is symbol for element. In this case, this element is carbon, because C for carbon. So this is, you need to understand. You can also see from here, this is for hydrogen. You can see the atomic number is here, and this element hydrogen, and at the top you can see here, this is mass number. So this is mass number. So this is how we can find out. Okay. Okay, so I hope this is very clear. Okay, let's move on to next one. Okay, here please, now you can see here. So before I explain to you, let me ask you one question. Now you can see here, for example, we have 3 isotope of hydrogen. So you can see here, first of all is protium. Protium, you can see here, you see it has 1 proton. So you see it has 1 atomic number and 1 mass number. And if you look at this one, deuterium, you can see it has 1 neutron, 1 proton. So its proton number is 1 and its mass number is 2. Now if you look at next one, so tritium, you can see here it has 2 neutron and it has 1 proton. So its proton number is 1, but its mass number is 3. So you can see what is same in all of them. These are isotope of hydrogen. So you can see here all of them, they have 1 proton. So proton number is very important. This is identification of any element. So you can see they have the same proton number. You can see here is also the same, because they are isotope of hydrogen. So proton number is identification of any element. So that you need to be very clear about this one, that proton number is, our atomic number is identification of any element. If proton number change, it means element will change. So this is identification of any element, Okay, so this is, so you can see for carbon, you can also see here. If you look at number of protons, you can see 6 protons here. We can see 6 protons here, and we can see 6 protons here. But if you look at them, number of neutrons are not same. You see number of neutron here 6, number of neutron here 7, number of neutrons here 8. So they are, all of them, they belong to carbon, but they have different number of neutron, so we call them isotope. So we call them isotope. Isotope simply means that they have the same number. These are the atoms, they have the same number of proton. They are atom of the same element. They have same number of protons, but they have different numbers of neutrons. So we call them isotopes. Okay, so that's the reason we give the name. This is carbon 12 and this one is carbon 14. So I hope it is clear to you. So if this is clear, we go to next one. Okay, excellent. Let's move on to next now. Okay, here an example you can see here. So as all of you are very clear about that one, so I just draw these again for you to see that mass number is changing, but proton number is not changing. So these are isotopes of carbon. So this is more clear picture, more easy to see.